can see me, I look like a horror film star. So basically, it's from the Ministry of Health Science that all the medical colleges has been asked, and our college has also been asked to participate. It can be in any form, like poster making and digital things, and also reels. So I am basically doing the reels because I'm interested in these things more. And so I'm having my makeup, so I have to just portray something like a smoking thing, and then how it is very much affecting all the other people as well, not only the smokers but also the non-smokers, and I'm portraying that. So that is the reason I'm just having this look. And yes, this is the cup. I don't know I will be using it as wine or not. It's water. And yes, here goes some, and I will be like frustrated kid having some cigarettes. Let me show you the cigarette that my sister made for me. So this is the cigarette that she made for me. It's the piece of paper, and she had this innovative idea about putting this yellow band. And yes, I will be smoking it like in this manner. Okay, so that will be in the film part, and here she is, and she's very happy about doing it. She will be also recording my video, and let's see how it goes. And yeah, there will be another part that I will be portraying. And yes, so let's see. I'm done with the makeup removal. Now what I will do is I will be doing the next part, and for this I will not be wearing this black. I don't know, I think I will be wearing something light, and I will be wearing my apron to portray the doctor thing. And yes, that's it. I will be doing that, and I don't think I should show anything. Like, I'm not doing that kind of makeup or anything. It's just very simple look. And oh my god. Okay, it's okay. The one thing, where is my nose pin? Where is my nose pin? So there was one thing, let me show you. So my room is basically in mess condition right now, but I want to show this thing because it was literally horrible and it was funny at the same time. So this is basically a ring. Okay, so what I did was I didn't had a pin to wear in this part to show that vulgarity, and for that reason I had to just find this ring, and I was using this. Don't laugh. I was trying to put it inside this, but I thought like it was like
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Like a huge one, so I should not. I feel that this is kind of a bull thing. Anyway, so I just put it over here. Okay, let me show you. So I was doing don't laugh. I was doing like this. Ari korbi na. I was just putting this over here, and it's so slippery. I was even putting the pressure to just keep this stable. But the thing is, whenever I was like talking like what? See? What? See? And I was talking to my sister like this. And she was like, that means why are you talking like that? So she's laughing there. I'm not laughing. So I just said her that look at this. I can't hold it over here. So that was the thing. And where is my cigarette? So basically I was like, see. Everybody, please buy me a nose pin. Okay, that's a cute cigarette. I'm gonna keep it for my whole life. Okay, so moving on to the next look, and there I am, a positive doctor, you know, a positive one. Just like all other romantic scenes, the Titanic at last sank with Jack. This is what happened next.
Day 2.
My mic was not working, and I saw that my mic has been broken from inside, so I couldn't do anything about it. And yes, for that I couldn't record because my heart was broken, because I managed to just save some money and then buy. That was my first mic ever. I was not having that much enough subscriber as well, but I really wanted a mic because I always have dreamed about like having a good audio quality no matter what. But right now I am not having any kind of mic. Maybe the sound is good, but I really prefer mic. But that was the reason I couldn't record yesterday. And so even after getting ready, I was so broken that I didn't record myself. And so I thought of recording myself today, because tomorrow is the last day to submit this video. But right now I will be just having a few makeup, not that much makeup, but just a touch up, so that I look camera friendly. Let's see what happens today, and I hope things go well and I act in a good way. That's it. Okay, so I just finished recording, and I just made a certain changes in the last part, because it should be 30 seconds, and I think like the last part was not like what I thought, was not really working with it. So I am just changing the last part, and I am just putting, I had thought about it like putting some captions, but I think the last video I will be not giving it, but instead I will be posting just few lines, and I will be giving some background music. And yes, let's see, I'm again scared. I don't know what the outcome will be, but I am quite glad that I made a good acting out of myself. But let's see. So I just finished all my acting skills and it's 3, right? It's 3:15 a.m. Oh my god, I have to just sleep because tomorrow is Sunday, but I have to submit this before 10:30. I don't want to be late, and also I have to study anatomy and do other stuff, post a vlog as well. I haven't edited it, so I don't know. Okay, so I will be sleeping, and please to check the reels which I'm gonna post on my Instagram account. It's given. And thank you so much for watching. So I'm done and I'm gonna sleep right now. And basically I want to thank my sister. She's sitting there. Can you please come here? This is the struggle of long years. Anyways, so thank you so much for cooperating with me. I hate you. Bye. Thank you. Oh, I hate you. So this is it guys, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And yes, medical college, medical life is really tough. We have to study a lot, and this is another aspect of medical life. I think it is tough but also has a lot of fun side that I'm gonna show you. And please consider subscribing if you like my content, because I will be sharing a lot more throughout this journey. And yes, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.